AutoDS automates eBay dropshipping, sourcing from AliExpress or CJ dropshipping, importing listings, monitoring prices and stock, and fulfilling orders, ideal for scaling without inventory. It uses a non-API method to comply with eBay policies, minimizing suspension risks. Free 14-day trial. Plans from $19.90 per month. Setup steps. Sign up and connect eBay. Register at autods.com. Stores. Add store. Select eBay. Log into eBay. Keep browser open for non-API. Authorize. Install Chrome extension for manual tasks. Research products. Use Product Finder. Filter niches, for example electronics. Analyze sales data via eBay Terapeak integration. Select winners, high demand, low competition. Import listings. Click Import. Edit titles and descriptions or images, AI optimized. Set pricing rules, for example plus 30% markup. Schedule import to drafts, go live on eBay. Daily operations, price and stock monitoring. Enable auto updates, adjusts if supplier changes. Order fulfillment. eBay order syncs, one-click fulfill. Auto buys from supplier, updates tracking to buyer. Scale. Bulk edit variants. Use file exchange for 24/7 automation.